Okay, so I'm going to do a quick test with the Goldfinder FS2, which is basically a Fisher Goldbug Pro. The Chinese have actually copied the circuit board and everything. It's basically exactly the same as a Goldbug. I got this off eBay for £130, brand new. Took about a week or so to come. I suspect it came from China, although it said Ireland. Anyway, so basically, yeah, it is the same as the Goldbug. In fact, if I switch it on, it actually says Goldbug. So anyhow, I'm going to do some tests, disc grim test and a recovery speed test using a nail board, and I'm going to compare it against the XP ORX, just see how that gets on against that. Yeah, so essentially the disc grim on this, basically we leave the disc on normal disc, and I'm just going to put the disc up to 40. Okay, so everything below 40 is going to give an iron or ferrous tone. All the good stuff will be above 40. Yeah, so I was quite impressed with the coil. It's actually quite heavy, so I suspect it's got quite a lot of wire windings around the coil. So yeah, it's pretty well made. I've done a few tests already and it seems to do the job exactly the same as the proper Goldbug. So anyhow, we'll see how it goes. Right, so I'm going to test the nail board, do the nail board test with a Roman bronze, an old Roman bronze. So first of all, I'm just going to run the coil over the nails, just to show you. It's going to disc grim with a iron tone. Here we go. Got disc grim set at 40. So I've put the coin in the middle, and you better hear it. You should better hear the coin in between the iron or the ferrous. Can you hear that? So it's picking it out. Right, so it's picking it out. Right. We'll do the same thing with the ORX, I don't know if you can see that, in coin fast mode, just default settings. First of all, without the coin. Put the coin in. Right, so they both can pick it out. So let's just try see what the ORX does with coke. So it's giving a good signal, but target ID is about 24. against a Roman coin, for instance. Let's give it a 90. Right, so you'd probably dig the coke because it gives a good signal, although it's a low ID. So with the FS2, actually makes coke, gives it a ferrous signal, or you know, the I'll just show you. So we're still set on discrimmer 40. The target ID is 40. So you probably wouldn't dig that because of the tone. There's some more coke here. Personally, I wouldn't dig that because of the tone. We put the Roman coin there. I'm going to dig that 77. So you could say that the Goldfinder is going to tell you when it's coke, but the ORX, yeah, it's going to give you a good tone. It's not going to give you an iron tone. The ORX will give you a low number like 24, so that's the way I suppose you're going to get, say it's suspect coke, but whether you'd probably still dig it because of the good tone, whereas the Goldfinder, you probably wouldn't dig it because an idea of 40 is right on the edge there, and all good targets are going to be way above that, to be honest with you. Plus it's giving you a ferrous tone. Anyway, I'm just going to take the Goldfinder out for a spin, and as I say, for the money you get a £600 machine for 130 quid. Although, oh yeah, we know it's a copy, but there. Anyway, catch you later.